It's a beautiful evening out here. It's cooled off some, and you don't have to sit out here and melt. We're fixing to go inside and make a beautiful, delicious broccoli salad that you've put in your mouth. And this is it. It's the one from Ruby Tuesday. I learned how to make it, and so are you. And we came across this recipe at Ruby Tuesday on their salad bar, and it was delicious. And so we recreated it. So let's get started. I'm going to start with 1 cup of mayonnaise for the dressing. This is such a refreshing dish for a dinner. And a 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, a lot of pepper, and it'll look like that when you get it all mixed up. We're going to start with 8 cups of broccoli, and you can see I've washed it, rinsed it, and I've cut it into bite-sized pieces, like that. We got a cup of bacon bits. I just bought this at the store, but if you wanted to, you can cook your own bacon, chop it up, blah, blah, blah. But this is great, fast. 1 cup of walnuts. I'm using walnuts. If you don't like walnuts, you can always use pecans, but I'm using walnuts. 3/4 cup of dried cranberries. I just love these things. They are so good and tasty. And 1 medium red onion, finely diced, and I finely diced it up. And 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm gonna mix that up. It's so colorful. See how pretty it is? You know, lay that out on a platter with some crackers or something. It's so pretty. Now, but got this I let mine sit in the fridge a couple hours, let it get, good and cold and get all them flavors together. We're kind of late. We haven't made videos in a couple of weeks. My cameraman had both his hands operated on, so he's recovering nicely. You never realize what you do with both your hands until you've had them worked on. You can't use them. Now this is broccoli salad. It looks delicious. It's easy. It didn't take less than 10 minutes. And you didn't have to cook nothing. So I hope you try this. And as always, God bless, and maybe take some to a neighbor or something that's in need. But thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.